In this video, you'll learn how to create a Zoho Meeting link that you can quickly share with your participants. Whether you're setting up a client call, a team check-in, or a training session, having a clear and simple process for generating a meeting link will save you time and help everything run smoothly. First, you'll need to open Zoho Meeting. Go ahead and launch it in your web browser by going to the Zoho Meeting website and signing into your account. If you already have it open in another tab, just switch over to that tab. Make sure you're logged in with the correct account that you want to host the meeting from, especially if you manage multiple workspaces or email addresses. Once you're signed in, you should see your Zoho Meeting dashboard, which is the central place where you can start and manage your meetings. From here, look for the option labeled Start Meeting. This is usually easy to spot near the top or center of the dashboard. Click Start Meeting to begin setting up an instant session. This option is best when you need a quick, on-the-spot meeting rather than something scheduled for later. As soon as you click it, Zoho Meeting will begin creating a new meeting room for you. Now, wait a moment for the meeting to actually start. During this short loading time, Zoho Meeting is setting up your virtual room in the background. You might see a brief loading screen, a permissions request for your microphone or camera, or a transition into the meeting interface. If your browser asks for permission to use your microphone or camera, it's a good idea to allow it, especially if you plan to speak or share video during the call. Once everything loads, you should find yourself inside the live meeting space where you can see the meeting controls, such as mute camera, screen sharing, and participant options. With the meeting now active, the next step is to copy the meeting link. This link is what your attendees will use to join. Look around the meeting window for a button or area that mentions invite, copy link, or meeting link. In many layouts, you'll see a link or an invitation panel at the top or side of the screen. Click the option that copies the meeting URL to your clipboard. When you do this, Zoho Meeting usually confirms that the link has been copied, so you don't have to manually highlight and copy it yourself. If there's an invite window that shows dial-in details or additional information, you only need the main URL for most participants. Finally, you're ready to share this link with your participants. Paste the copied link into whatever communication channel your team uses. This could be an email, a calendar invite, a chat message, or a project management tool. Make sure you give your participants any extra context they might need, such as the meeting time, the topic, and whether they should join with video or just audio. If you're sending it to a group, double check that all the necessary people are included before you hit send. And that's it. You've opened Zoho Meeting, started an instant meeting, copied the meeting link, and shared it with your participants. With this simple process, you can set up and distribute a Zoho Meeting link in just a few moments whenever you need to bring people together online.